As of lately, I've been getting a few more people that have been seemingly angry at me for no apparent reason. The only thing that I could think of is based on the latest video, seeing where I am after, maybe people didn't realize that I've had a store already. I don't know, but it seems like it's more based on jealousy. And I want to talk a little bit about why this does not make any sense whatsoever to be jealous over somebody in this position. So here's an example of some of the comments that I've been getting. It's somebody that just all of a sudden blew up for no apparent reason that I've done nothing to. They just all of a sudden get angry and lose it for no apparent reason whatsoever. So, for one, jealousy in my mind doesn't really make sense. So I spend a lot of time helping others, encouraging others, and trying to get other people to start their own businesses doing the same thing that I do. So let's say if one of these people goes out to start a business that competes with my own and let's say does better than me, let's say they start getting more boards than me, they'd have better success, better sales, better everything. Do you think I'm going to attempt to discredit them or start to get angry at them for no reason because they've done better than me? No, I'm going to congratulate them. I'm going to tell them, good job, you deserve this. Because for one, we're all on the same level playing field. We all start out we seemingly all start out at similar places. We're all on the same level playing field. There's nothing that sets us apart. There's nothing that makes one of us better than another. We're all pretty much the same equally. We just start, time-wise for some, like, for example, there are people now that I know that in 2 years' time are going to be far ahead of me because they have stuff that I didn't starting. So even when you see somebody blaze by you as far as where you were starting, that is zero reason to be jealous. And furthermore, one thing people don't realize as far as like board repair videos, and let's say you are jealous of me, which being jealous of me makes zero sense because trust me, don't be jealous of me. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Don't be jealous of me. Being jealous over somebody or seeing what somebody does like on YouTube videos or in Facebook groups and being jealous over them makes zero sense whatsoever because you see a very, very small portion of that person's life. You don't see the rest of it. You don't see outside of work. You don't see the boards that have gotten screwed up. You don't see any of that. All you see is a very small portion of what's going on, and that is why you should never decide to, go out of your way to be jealous over that person because it doesn't make sense. My advice to you is if you do feel this way and you are jealous over someone, look at your own life. What are you doing right now? The only way to get where you want to go is to start. So if you are sitting there and are angry for no reason or angry at other people for doing better than you or angry at the world or angry at a particular person, my advice to you is look at your own life. What are you doing right now? What are you doing? Seriously, if the minute that you feel yourself getting angry at someone or something for being better than you or doing better than you, look at your own life. What are you doing right now? Are you sitting in a chair? Are you sitting on the couch doing nothing? Well, get up off the couch and go do something. Do something about it because the only person that can do anything about that is yourself. You have to make a conscious decision to do something about it. If you want something, if you want better in your life, go do it. No excuses. No excuses that it's too late or you're too old or this. No excuses. Get up off of or stop whatever you're doing and start. The only thing that can change it is you and yourself. That's it. That is the only way you're going to get out of that mindset, out of the position you're in, is to start doing whatever you want to start doing and don't give up. That's the only thing that will get you out of this mindset, and that is the only way you're going to get your goals is to actually start doing them. So the goal of this video is basically just I know those people are out there. I know there's those people that are probably watching this or watching my channel that are feeling angry that they are, maybe doing worse or they've been doing it for longer and that are doing worse. And by all means, I'm not trying to promote myself. I'm not trying to gloat about my success by any means by that. But what I'm trying to get across is if you feel that way, if you feel angry because of it, if you feel angry because of someone else's success, seriously, look at what you're doing and try and fix it. The only way that you're going to get out of that mindset or get out of the position that you're in, because my guess to, let's say, the person that was extremely angry about me, like in this message right here, not that, but scroll up in the video, you know what I'm talking about. My guess to the reason why that person is acting like that is they feel very bitter and angry because of their own failure. They probably tried and they probably failed, or they haven't tried hard enough. Another one of the biggest things that I see that people will complain about is not being able to do things, yet they haven't even tried. They just assume in their mind that they can't do it, that they're not going to be able to succeed at it because they haven't even tried. They literally have not even tried, and they're already putting themselves down and saying they couldn't do it or there's no way they could do it. They have not even tried. This is one of the major things that it's like it doesn't make any sense. Why complain about something if you haven't tried to do it? Makes no sense to me. You know, you can't complain about your own failure if you haven't put the effort to it. You know, if you want to work, if you want to work 5 days a week from 9 to 5 and then be done at the end of the day, or 9 or 11 to 5 and be done at the end of the day. It doesn't work like that. If you want to be successful, if you want to have a successful business, if you want to have a successful life, you have to put the effort in. It's simple as that. There's no way around it. You have to put in the effort. You have to put in the failure. This is another major thing. Failure. Okay? You haven't seen me kill, well, I'm sure you've seen me kill boards on stream, but you haven't seen, well, the picture's up here right now, so I might as well show this. This is me. This is how I used to solder SMD capacitors. Okay? This is how I used to solder SMD capacitors. I just didn't just wake up one day and know how to fix boards. It took a lot of effort. It took a lot of failure. It took a lot of me thinking that I failed. I've almost given up so many times at the course of my business. Did I get angry at someone else? Did I go and find somebody that was fixing boards, get angry at them and start insulting them because they were doing better than me? No. I tried again. I thought my business had failed because I wasn't getting any customers. Did I give up? No. I kept marketing, and eventually it happened. You cannot go through life like that. You're going to be miserable. If you're going to go through life being jealous of other people and getting angry at other people because of their own success, you are going to die a miserable person. It's simple as that. You are going to die not experiencing any success because you've been so busy being angry at other people and convincing yourself that you couldn't do it. So my advice to anybody that's like that right now is look at your own life. Look at your own life. Look what you're doing right now. Stop what you're doing right now and put a plan together to get your goals, because the only person that's going to be able to help you achieve your own goals is you. You and only you.